How to add your Twitch link to TikTok. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I show you how to add your Twitch link to your TikTok profile so your followers can easily find you on both platforms. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. On your profile, select Edit Profile, and here you'll find options to customize your bio, add links, and even more. Currently, TikTok doesn't have a direct link slot for Twitch, so we'll add it in the bio section. Type in something like "follow me on Twitch" and paste your Twitch link after it. Make sure the link is correct so people can click it directly. Once you've added the link, tap Save or exit the Edit Profile section. Your Twitch link is now visible in your TikTok bio. Finally, go back to your profile and check that your bio displays your Twitch link properly and that it works. And that's it. You've successfully done the purpose. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.